Welcome everyone, I am Rich with Richland Architects. Thank you for tuning into this video with part 2 of the intention to provide you with some insight on how architects work in the construction process. If you have not yet watched our first video, here's a quick summary. Architects break down the design process into phases. Pre-design is the collecting of information. We like to call that the program. Schematic design is the organization of information on a page. And design development is testing the program to link up with a mutually agreed design path. The last part of the architectural design process is the construction documents phase. By now, the overall program and design concept are set, with most likely only minor changes to follow. This phase produces the building drawings, more commonly known as blueprints. For contractors to put together a complete bid price, the local village or city to review the plans and issue a permit, as well as allow the selected contractors to build the desired building. This is also a phase where many other consultants are heavily engaged in design, including structural, mechanical, and civil engineers, landscape designers, and various other trades that may be necessary on your project. Also in this phase, doors, windows, interior and exterior finishes are being selected and finalized. Building details are scrutinized, and a final energy analysis is performed. Architects are an important part of the construction process, beginning with the permit phase. Bidding and negotiation can occur simultaneously with the permit phase, depending on your project. We will discuss both phases here. During a plan review, it is possible to receive plan corrections from a local jurisdiction. An architect will work to make any changes required or discuss with the reviewer if there is a misunderstood code interpretation. An architect can put together a bidder's package with drawings, project specifications, instructions, and time constraints on how a contractor is to bid the project. Additionally, architects can review the submitted contractor bids and provide you additional insight for you to select your contractor. Congratulations! You have received your building permit, selected your contractor, and you're excited to begin the construction. Construction administration, can also be known as contract administration, is where architects observe the construction in relation to the permitted contract documents. Architectural drawings are legal documents to facilitate construction of a project. Site visits are documented and all conversations, as well as site observations, are noted. Any requests for information submitted to the architect by the contractor are addressed and requested construction changes are reviewed. If you have any knowledge of construction, that is beneficial. However, architects serve as a liaison between you and the contractor on your behalf, ensuring your building is exactly how you expect it to be, is safe, and a valuable asset for many years to come. We hope to provide more videos shortly. If this information is helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Hit the bell icon to be notified when the new videos are released. Thank you.